she came to town. She had a carriage full of props and tricks and a confidence that knew no bounds. And my heart skipped a beat as love I found. The sun rose high as she got up on stage and started to perform her show. And as she shared her tricks, I could feel the love inside of me begin to grow. And my heart said, don't you dare let her go. Trixie, you're the mirror, love. Girl, you know it's true. There ain't no other pony like you. Trixie, you're what I want. No one can stop me now. I'm gonna make you mine somehow. Say she has an ego big enough for two, but that's not true. She's a showmare and an artist. Her dedication will show through, and I know no pony ever could outdo Trixie. It's true. There ain't no other pony like you. Trixie, you're what I want. No one can stop me now. I'm gonna make you mine somehow. Trixie. There